Story we are following tonight, the question over who gets to use what restroom in St. Johns County schools is now answered after a 5-year-long court battle.
Drew Adams, now a transgender man, was part of a lawsuit against the St. Johns County School Board. Adams says he was denied using the boys' restroom. Instead, he would have been required to use a gender-neutral restroom. A court of appeals has ruled the school district's bathroom policy was not unconstitutional. All Your Side's Tristan Hardy joins us live in the studio. Tristan.
Right, and this ruling from the 11th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals, its jurisdiction includes Florida, Georgia, and Alabama. Now, the decision was made after the St. John's School District appealed earlier, ruling in favor of Adams. 7 out of 11 judges agreed the St. Johns County School District didn't violate Drew Adams' rights. That means if a student in the district identifies as a transgender, they have the option to use a gender-neutral restroom or the restroom assigned to their sex at birth. Initially, federal judges ruled in Adams' favor, twice. That is until the school district appealed, and all the judges in the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals agreed to hear the case.
I mean, once the full in-bank 11 judges hears and decides the case, that's the end of the road in this court.
Brian Gotti, a certified appellate attorney, doesn't represent any parties in the case. He explains how Adams doesn't have a lot of options at this point.
The only recourse for Mr. Adams at this point would be to ask the United States Supreme Court to review the case.
Several of the judges filed separate opinions. Judge Charles Wilson says the school district's bathroom policy's refusal to accept updated medical documentation is discriminatory on the basis of sex. Another wrote the issue should be left to Congress instead of the courts. For all 11 judges to hear this case is something Gotti says doesn't happen often.
It's pretty rare. There's only a handful of cases they hear each year with all judges on the court.
Now, the St. Johns County School District sent us a statement regarding the court's ruling, and it reads, "We are pleased with the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals decision in the Drew Adams case. The court's opinion was supported by sound legal reasoning and common sense. Under this decision, the district will be able to protect all students' rights." Now, I did reach out to Drew Adams, but he declined to comment. He has 90 days to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court. I'm Tristan Hardy, First Coast News, on your side.